Hey y'all, what's up? It is Wednesday and this is going to be a get ready with me for vacation kind of vlog. I'm about to go get my hair done. I'm leaving out the house in 3 minutes. Ignore my mess. Y'all know I got so much things going on, but this is gonna be a get ready with me vlog to go on vacation, and I'm gonna start by going to get my hair done. I just started this vlog and my battery was dying, so I don't know how much I'm gonna actually get to film getting my hair done. I wanted to do the whole thing, but my backup battery is dead and I know it won't be charged by the time I get there. I gotta drop a package off to USPS. I blow dried my hair I shampooed and washed my hair today. Giving real Coy Leroy, what's her name? Coy Leroy? I don't know. And I had a huge decision to make. Was I going to get my hair done and not film a couple videos that I needed to film, or was I going to film the videos I needed to film and not get my hair done? But I wouldn't be able to edit the videos this week, so it didn't matter if I rushed and filmed them. I still wouldn't be able to get them up. So I decided to get my hair braided. Got my purse, got my cash, my phone, make sure I take that this time. I got my AirPods, my tripod. She's gonna provide the hair, so I don't have to get any hair.
Strung out on compliments, overdosed on confidence. Started not to give a fuck and stop fearing the consequence. Drinking every night because we drink to my accomplishments. Faded way too long, I'm floating in and out of consciousness, and they saying I'm back. I'd agree with that. I just take my time with all this shit, I still believe in that. I had someone tell me I fell off, ooh, I needed that. And they wanna see me pick back up, well, where'd I leave it at? I know I exaggerated things, now I got it. So
I am done. Miss Brittany did a good job on my hair. I don't like when braids start fat and then get skinny, but other than that, I like it. My car says 100 degrees outside. It's hot as hell. Let me find my way home. I gotta go get something to eat because I am starving. My stomach was growling while I was getting my hair done. Continue. Last destination. Home. Continue. Start.
Now turn left.
I will see you guys when I get to the crib. I'm about to go in Walmart and pick up some little odds and ends that I might need for my travel bag, because it's been a while since I traveled, so I don't know what I need. So yeah, she did like some exaggerated edges on me, child. Y'all know I'm hungry, so I'm looking at snacks. But they done brought out the new, well, that I don't think that's new, but this is new and that's new. But these are the party size bags. I want to find those smaller bags and I try those. I've already picked up stuff I didn't come in here for. Let me see. I want some snacks for the plane and for my room. So let me see what I can find. I see summer BLT chili lemon. I ain't never seen that one. That probably ain't new though. What's the other two I just saw? Chili mango and jerk chicken. I want them, but I don't want the big bags. They only got the big bags. Hold on, I'm at Burger King. One moment. Burger King, girl? No, they chicken sandwich good.
No.
And the Impossible waffle, I ate that the other day. So good.
That ain't meat, ain't it?
Huh?
Are you using
The paper ones? No, it's not meat. That's my first time eating non-meat burger.
Like a soy burger?
Something like that, girl. A bean burger.
It was good?
Better than the waffle. KFC chicken sandwich, the best, and then Burger King.
Can you put in front of the store, please? Chicken.
Okay, on that side, all right.
Yeah, thank you.
I sure will for my chicken.
Sure will. I got an appointment with Sadiddy Nails at 7.
Today? Yeah, stuff out the way, lady. You found a design one?
Kinda. It's like French tip with just designs on them.
Have a good one.
You too, thank you. Alright, y'all, now I'm on my way to go get my nails done. The last time I talked to y'all, I was in Walmart, but then I got on the phone with Tia in Walmart and never hung up. I got the stuff I needed out of Walmart, more than what I needed. I went to Burger King and got a chicken sandwich, which was disgusting, did not taste done. It tastes like raw chicken breast. And I got a chance to go home and actually look at my hair, and what I was saying about the difference between the thickness and then like to the thinness, when it's all pulled to the front, you can really see the difference. Like it's super thick. Like she started doing small braids like this one, but I didn't want all small braids, so I told her to make it a little bit thicker, so she like doubled them. I think when I go back home I'm gonna curl the ends because they just look like real skinny and not cute. I don't really know how to do that, but I'm gonna figure it out. I don't know if I'm gonna curl it tight or just have like a length, a long curl. So that's the plan when I get home. Thank God the girl stayed like literally around the corner from me. So my appointment is at 7. It's 6:51. I gotta get my stuff together. I got some stuff from Fashion Nova that I'm gonna go through and see what I want to pack, because I'm gonna pack tomorrow. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all when we get to the nail shop. Okay, I just made it here. I got 4 minutes to spare. Make sure I get everything together. I just feel like Steven. And then be wearing my mask. Oh, looking for the camera.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited, then change my mind like that?
Y'all can't see me. Oh, I don't like when the spotlight is on. Okay, I'll wait till I get. We'll talk about it then. I just got back home from getting my nails done. They're alright. I was her last client. This hand looked decent. This hand looked like she was falling asleep. The French tips, all of them crooked on this hand. I don't know if you guys can see. This hand. So, I gotta get my stuff together, what I'm gonna pack. I got some stuff from Fashion Nova. I got a couple Skims outfits that I'm going to take. I'm going to wear a Skims outfit on the plane, and I'm going to take one to wear back from, on the plane. Sometimes I'll wear what I wear on the plane. Going, I usually wear it coming back, but not all the time. I got like quite a few things. I got some pajamas. I got some t-shirts. I don't think we're doing anything big. We just going to eat and chill. I was gonna pack tonight, but I'm not. I'm about to go find me something to eat. Oh, I gotta dip this hair because it looks dumb. Don't that look dumb? Look how thick. That looks dumb. Where's that one? Like, look how this one is. It just flows all the way down. And then these. No. Baby, I gave her a $20 tip. Alright, I decided to go ahead and use flexi wraps. I hope this works. I'm just going to, I just wrap the ends and then I'm going to dip in hot water. Alright, so I dipped them and I took one out. It came out alright. Oh, that looked so much better. Good job, Keke. What do we think? Okay, I came back real quick because I forgot to show y'all what I got from Walmart. So I got this bonnet. It said pocket bonnet, so it's supposed to be longer, I guess. Some toothpaste, some flushable wipes, some makeup removers, loofah. I think I have some of these, but just in case I get, oh, I forgot to get body wash. Travel deodorant. I forgot to get body wash. This is what I really wanted to show y'all. So I wonder if my hair is going to be in it. Nope, maybe. Will it? Is it going in? Girl, it's like a pillowcase. Like that. And then just tight. Okay. We'll see how my hair comes out tomorrow. These edges ain't gonna last though. I just was thinking that I want to go get me a luggage tomorrow, so we'll see. But yeah, I don't like them off of Handmaid's Tale. Praise be. Hey y'all, it's the next morning. My mom just left to pick up something I had for her, a gift I had for her. My bunny stayed on all night, so my hair is fine. I told you guys I wanted to go see if I can find like a cute little luggage. I haven't traveled in 2 years. I want a cute little luggage. I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx, Burlington, Marshalls. Well, no, I don't know. Well, I gotta go to Marshalls, so yeah, I'll go to Marshalls first, and I'm going to come back and start packing. So I want to do that and get that out the way. We leave later tomorrow. This first time flying late in a long time. I just know I'm gonna be in New Orleans eating good tomorrow. I can't wait. Got me a Red Bull. I was supposed to make me a breakfast, but when I'm ready to go, I'm ready to go. I'll fix something to eat when I come back. But I got my little energy for the morning. Okay, I'm picking up little things that I need. I got Tylenol. I probably switched that for AVAIL. But y'all know how much I love these. And I just found a whole row. So all of them belongs to me. I don't know what else I need. Oh, what's this? Oh, they got all kinds of stuff. So let me see what I need, and then I'll check back in with y'all once I get back in the car. Yeah, I shopped at Dollar Tree like I was going on a road trip. I came in here for specific things and shopped here like I was going on a road trip.
Strung out on compliments, overdosed on confidence. Started not to give a fuck and stop fearing the consequence. Drinking every night because we drink to my accomplishments. Faded way too long, I'm floating in and out of consciousness, and they saying I'm back. I'd agree with that. I just take my time with all this shit. I still believe in that. I had someone tell me I fell off. Ooh, I needed that. And they wanna see me pick back up. Well, where'd I leave it at? I know I exaggerated things. Now I got it like.
Okay, y'all know I came in here for luggage, but look at this magazine thing. Oh my god, I love them. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, it came out and it's raining. Sun showers. Oh, it's not that hard though. Oh my god. This Marshalls I went to had no luggages. None. There's like, we don't have any luggages. TJ Maxx across the street. I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx, and then there's another Marshall's on my way home. I'm gonna go to that one. I bought some little packing cubes and the little clear bottle things to put stuff in, because I forgot to get body wash, so I'm just gonna squeeze some of my body wash into one of the little plastic tube containers, even though I just had some in my hand at Dollar Tree and I put them back, and I paid $5.99 for the ones too. Didn't make no sense. I could have just went back to the Dollar Tree. Girl, what was you thinking? Why did you do that? Nobody has any luggages. TJ Maxx don't have any either, so yeah, TJ Maxx said they don't have any either. Okay, I finally found some luggages. All ugly. Ugly, 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 ugly. The cutest one is this small little silver one. Girl, look how much this costs. It's gonna stay there. Girl, after going to 10 stores, the last store I went in, which was Ross, I found a luggage. It actually had a whole 3-piece set. That's the only store that had luggages. Y'all saw what TJ Maxx was working with. Try please. And I didn't even take y'all in Ross, because I was like, I'm running in and running out. But I found a luggage at Ross, and it was only $35. It's cute enough. I'm going home now. I'm hungry. What do you call it? Avocado toast. I was about to give me some Starbucks, but I remembered I got Starbucks coffee at the crib, so I'm gonna make me a Starbucks coffee. Yeah, I got all these bumps on my leg. I think the girl house who did my nails, I think she got, her dog had fleas, because I got all these like bumps like a mosquito bite, but I was outside to get bit by mosquitoes. I think her dog had fleas. She had a little dog in there, and it had the dog shaved all the way down to the skin. I've seen the dog before, but I've never seen the dog shaved down that much. I think they shaved the dog because the dog got fleas.